Hello everyone, it's Sama here, back to you with a new dish. So today I'm making tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken is a chicken dish prepared by roasting marinated chicken in a tandoor, which is basically a cylindrical shaped clay oven. But here is a twist in my video. That is, I'll be making this delicious and easy tandoori chicken in a pan over the stove. So let's go on and check the steps to make this tandoori chicken. At first, we take 12 pieces or about 1 kg of chicken. Then we take the chicken pieces one by one and mark their body by holding the chicken stiff, and with the middle part of the sharp edge of the knife we make 2 to 3 deep cuts on each side of every chicken piece. In this manner we give the deep cuts to all our chicken pieces. Now it's the time for mixing the spices to the chickens. First we take 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of whole spices powder, 2 teaspoons or as per taste salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper or black pepper, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now mix all the spices with the chickens. Again add about 1/4 cup of sour curd and about a pinch of red food color. This will give a nice color to our chickens. Then mix it well with the chickens. After proper mixing, cover and marinate for about 3 hours. Here we uncover it after 3 hours and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then mix it with the chickens. Then take them to frying. Here we have heated a pan on the stove. Add about 1/4 cup of oil for frying the chickens. We spread the oil in all directions by tilting the pan. After heating the oil, we gently drop the chickens. We need to fry the chickens properly from all sides, within and outside on low flame. Since these are raw chickens, we need them to be eatable and properly cooked. We cover it and fry this side on low flame for 6 to 8 minutes. Again we turn it the other side and cook for another 6 to 8 minutes. Now our chickens seem properly cooked. So we take them out of the stove, and in this manner we fry all of our chickens. Meanwhile, we take a piece of charcoal and heat it on burning stove. We heat the charcoal until it takes a grey color. We place the heated charcoal in the middle of the chickens on a wrapped foil paper. Then sprinkle some oil over the charcoal and immediately cover the dish properly so that no fume comes out. We keep it covered for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes they're so ready to be served and consumed. And that's all. Everyone's favorite tandoori chicken is ready. With this, it wraps up my video.
Hello everyone. You know what? You must try this because I just tasted it and the smoky smell with each bite, and it tastes just awesome. Now like, share, subscribe.
Hey, thank you for watching the video so far, and now hoping that you all liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and surely try this recipe at home and tell me in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it to stay updated about my new videos. Thank you.